Hello everybody, my name is Mike Florin and I'm with Low Cost Mortgage. Today is your weekly update for realtors and industry professionals for the week of July 7th, 2023. It's been an interesting week. Monday was okay. It was between the holiday day of the 4th of July, so nothing really big there. Rates took off like a rocket on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday was anticipation of some bad news that happened, and on Thursday we got that bad news. Employment was expected, new jobs was expected to be at about 250,000, and it ended up being close to 500,000. Well, with that many new jobs coming in, it's anticipated now that the Fed's going to increase their rate the next meeting. So you're going to start to see an upward pressure of rates. Now, today's been relatively flat compared, but it was a big movement, about 0.5 percentage point though, on Wednesday and Thursday. And if you look over here on this chart, over my right shoulder, you're going to see that big upward movement right here and right over here. This is the 5-day and this is the 3-month. And you can see that it was relatively flat for a while, and a while being about 4 or 5 weeks. And that was that weird transitionary period or something we haven't seen in a while where there was no uptrend or downtrend. The rates were actually just kind of bouncing in between two different levels, like a high and a low, right? But we saw that for about 5 weeks. And then this week, it got bad. Now, for realtors, right? I used to be a realtor. I understand being a realtor. And I sold a decent amount of volume. Not the top producer, but I got awards for it. One of them's right over here somewhere, right? And again, you know, this was what, 17, 18 years ago or so, maybe 20 years ago. I forget, I could look it up. But regardless, I understand what you guys go through for the prospecting, finding the borrowers, making sure they're pre-qualified, etc. Okay. We have realtors that are still selling a lot of homes in this high interest rate environment. They're using us. And our rates are pretty stinking good. We're about 0.5 to 1.25% lower than everyone else in rate. But we're set up to work with the A-paper type of borrowers, right? Good credit, W-2 income, or good credit, self-employed, and they have a CPA and they've been filing their taxes, right? If they fall into those buckets, or any and all VA, we can typically do the loan because we're using, when we do a loan, hold on, again, this is unscripted, right? But when we do a loan, we focus on speed of production and efficiency. That means that we're not going to do low credit, bank statement loans, weird loans. We don't do those. We do in the box, right? VA, 740, 640, FICO, W-2 job, done. Conventional, 5% down, 700 FICO or so, regular job, done, right? So if you've got borrowers that fit that bucket of good credit, right? Not stellar credit, good credit. Government is going to be the 6s are okay, right? Conventional, the 7s are better, much better. They have a regular job and they've got decent debt to income. Let us have a crack at it. You might be surprised on how low our rates are. But the realtors that are selling a lot of deals, we see it because we get a lot of deals from them. But there are some realtors closing 3, 4, 5 deals a month in Washington State, Colorado, North Carolina, and Texas. We're seeing it, right? But we also see a bunch of realtors that are hurting. They're closing maybe 1 every other month right now because of that higher interest rate environment. You need to adapt, overcome, figure out a new method. Who moved my cheese, right? And then get her done. So, but we're a tool. So if we can help you at all, let us know. I've got a bunch of loan officers that have the time to help out. I can make introductions. I've got time too as well. Sometimes I'm actually really busy right now, but you know, and a lot of our loan officers are. Some of them have extra free time too to pick up some new realtors. But with that being said, give me a call, give us a call the main number up, call my cell phone. You guys should have it. If not, it's in the email. And I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.